So this is Otter. This is a transcript of a conference session that I'd recorded using my iPhone and my mic. This is the transcript. We've seen the summary, and I'm just now playing through just to listen to the audio. But you can see I've got a good bit of text in there, and what I'm now doing is I'm exporting that text to my clipboard for me to use shortly in ChatGPT. Removing the transcripts and any branding that's in there, and I'm just exporting it to my clipboard. So we're in Text Expander. You can see it's got a prompt as a label and an abbreviation. The abbreviation is something that you can use to avoid having to retype the prompt every time, and you can keep lots of different things in Text Expander. So you can maybe keep email addresses, bits of code, bits of writing that you reuse, and I'll show you how we use that now. So we just type the prompt in, and what happens is then the prompt appears in ChatGPT, and then what I then did was I pasted in the export that I got from Otter, and then that'll then work through the prompt with the transcript that I provided it, and it's going to provide a full summary based on the conference session transcript, and it's going to remove the time codes, and it's going to provide me with a full summary. Now, this is one prompt that I've got. It's going to provide an introduction, it's going to provide some use cases, and it's going to be a good document that I can provide for my team. If at the end of it it's not what you want, you can obviously get ChatGPT to work to the document, or you can get your own set of prompts that you're working with, but you can see it's provided a really good document for you to work with. And then what I can do is I can copy the document straight out of ChatGPT, and I can put it into Google Docs, and you can see I've got a document that's 800 words and something that you can use with your team. There's a bit of editing that you can do, but there's something there that you can use, and it's a really good way to be working with your transcripts.